What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be installing the new cam along with all the other supporting mods into the LS Swap OBS. So first thing I want to show you is the new cam. We went with the BTR Stage 4 truck cam. Here's all the specs for that. If you can see that, I'm not sure if you can. But yeah, I have looked at this thing and I've done some research on it, and it looks like the best application for my truck. Along with the camshaft kit, it came with new valve springs and valve seals. So just so we can refresh the motor with the new seals, and then it also needs the heavy duty springs. They're Beehive springs from BTR. As for lifters, I'm using the Delphi LS7 lifters from BTR. I ordered them right off their website, and they say they're a good lifter. They're pretty affordable, around $200. And I got them soaking in oil right now. But so those are the lifters I went with. I also went with chromoly standard length push rods, also BTR brand. I'm trying to go everything BTR just so it'll all be the same. Went with all new BTR gaskets and lifter trays. Cleaned real good on my rocker arms. Can't see too well. Just gonna keep the factory ones. Not gonna do the trunnion upgrade just because I don't think I'll need it. This truck's not gonna be raced or anything, or smacked off the rev all the time, so I'm just gonna leave that same. But yeah, I want to get to throwing the new valve springs and valve seals in the new heads, or in the factory heads, and hope you enjoy. Two of the new valve seals and valve springs in, and they look pretty good. It's not been too hard. It's nice that I have the tool already from years of building four-wheelers and stuff, and luckily it worked on the LS. But got two of them in and getting to go to do the rest of them. So I stopped the time lapse just because it's the same thing over and over again. Just taking the old seal off, putting the new seal on, new spring off, or old spring off, new spring on. And also kind of just went into depth cleaning the head pretty good. Obviously there's still gonna be some stuff on it, but this is a 250,000+ mile motor, so I'm just trying to get it looking pretty good, which I think it looks pretty good for how many miles are on it. I took a lot of time cleaning that head and everything, and the rocker arms and everything as well. So everything's in there now. I still have to do the other head, but I'm gonna work on that tomorrow, just because I'm kind of running out of time. And yeah, so I got this one head done. Looks pretty good. Very time consuming, but you know how it is. So this is gonna be the first time I'm installing a new camshaft, so I'm a little bit nervous, but just make sure I assembly lube the crap out of it. Got my water pump bolts ready on the end of it. And it's in. Make sure it spins good. I'm also installing a new cam retainer plate. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should probably Loctite these just in case, because you never know. With someone you are with. I didn't tighten this cover down all the way just because what centers it is actually the harmonic balancer. So see how it can move around so much. So I'm gonna wait to put the harmonic balancer on to tighten these all the way down. Just got the other head all installed with the new valve springs and valve seals. So got it all cleaned up. Took the intake portion, kind of shined it up a little bit. Obviously they're not gonna be perfect. I didn't put a whole lot of time into it. So I just got the driver's side head on and I got it all torqued down to 22 foot-pounds, and then you do a 90 and then another pass of another 90. And let me tell you something that was scary. Got my sequence up there, just printed that offline, and about to throw this side in. I got my lifters in there and the new lifter trays, and everything's ready to put the other side on. So here's a good look at it. Those heads look a lot better than they did before. So get to putting that side on and the rest of the motor. So I got the passenger side head on as well, and everything's torqued down and everything. So next I'm gonna get to putting the new push rods in and the rocker arms, and then on from there. Well, I got the motor all back together, and I just got the intake sitting on it right now along with the coils just to see how it would look. And everything went together smoothly, thank the Lord. So I think it's gonna be it for this video.
Like if you want to, subscribe if you feel like it, and comment if we forgot to do something.
I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Peace.